Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we will show you how to turn on dark mode in the Etsy app. If you like to shop at night or simply prefer a darker theme to ease eye strain, this guide is for you. So let's get started. Open the Etsy app on your smart device and make sure you are logged into your account. By opening the Etsy app on the home page in the upper right corner of the screen, you can see your profile, which you will click on. Then, on the next page, in the drop-down menu, you will find the Settings option and click on it. By clicking on the Settings option, a new page will open, where you will also go down to the Dark Mode option in the drop-down menu and click on it. The app will open a new page where you can see for yourself that the current follow system is activated. In order to activate dark mode, you need to click on the On option. And there you have it. This is how you enable dark mode in the Etsy app. It's fast, easy, and perfect for nighttime browsing. If this guide was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more app tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.